Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Carissa, and in this video, I'm gonna show you a few things I picked up at Boohoo, Verge Girl, and maybe one or two other brands, depending on when they actually get here, because shipping times are crazy right now. So if you wanna see what I picked up, then please keep watching.
In the calm fall air, and I think I'm changing back into someone I like to call myself.
What's up guys? How's it going? How is life? I've decided to film more regularly, and I'm going to be posting videos for sure every Monday and Wednesday, and if I have an excess of videos, I will also post on Fridays. So if you like a scheduled post, if you like this vibe, give me a like down below, let me know you're watching, and I'll keep the content coming. I'm like super dedicated to this now and just finding my place here and excited. So let's get into the video. I have been ordering clothes online lately, you know, because summer's coming and I don't have that much stuff, and also I need more loungewear. I need stuff to lay around the house in. All my stuff is like falling apart. I've been wearing it too much. So I placed an order at Boohoo, and the weird thing is I placed this order like 2 months ago, okay? And it just never showed up. So I contacted them and they just refunded me. It was their choice. And then, you guys, it showed up. So it's a small order, but you know, I'll take it. And my other orders haven't gotten here yet. So this video will contain this scene with this outfit, and then the next time I film will be when my other orders come. So, you know, stay tuned for that. It's all gonna be in this video, so just keep watching. To you, it won't seem like any time has passed. The first thing I got at Boohoo are these glasses that I am obsessed with. I found them because Julia Havens, I found them because Julia Havens on her channel keeps talking about how they're the perfect Celine dupe. These were literally, I think, like $10, and they really are the perfect Celine dupe. I need scissors. Should I just wear them like this? This is like the new Off-White where I just keep the tag on. It's called Fashion. Look it up. But these are really cheap and they're on boohoo.com. They always sell out, so always keep a lookout for them. But yo, these are fire. All right, I need to go get scissors. Hold on. Ugh, I'm obsessed. And they fit really snug around the face, which I like. I hate when glasses fall down. A lot of my like reading glasses do that, or my actual glasses. Yeah, these are dope. These are a good find. Highly recommend. This is the first time I'm opening this stuff, by the way, because, you know, I was too excited to wait to get it all together. That's why this video is in pieces. I then ordered, what did I order? The basic mix and match oversized jogger in black, and it's size medium. I needed new black sweatpants because mine are at the stage where I'm like, we're either gonna tie-dye them or we're throwing them away. So I need new black ones. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, these are my jam. I'll also be trying the clothing on, and I'll put in a clip here. There's just not enough room in here to try it on and show you at the same time. Oh my God. So these are just the perfect, oh my God, I wanna wear these now. So I never wear the clothing until I actually do the video on it. So I'm like, let me just film this now so I can wear these clothes. I need new joggers and like I need stuff to wear around. So highly recommend these. These were also recommended by Julia Havens. Pretty much everything I got in this haul was recommended by her. She claims these are the best sweatpants ever. So I'm really excited to be trying these out. You'll definitely be seeing them on my Instagram. Yeah, they're just a good basic sweatpant. Medium was definitely the size for me. I'm 5'9", and I have a problem with like getting sweatpants and then they come and they fit like capris. Like, I don't understand. It's just not the vibe. Like, they should specifically say how freaking long they are so that, you know, short people aren't walking around swimming and tall people aren't walking around like Huckleberry Finn. Next piece is a twofer. I picked up a matching, this is also from the basic mix and match, I can't say that. From the basic mix and match oversized jogger collection. And this is also in size medium, but it's the color gray. And I picked up the crew neck sweater for the top. Oh yeah, it's like the perfect. It's perfect. I'm literally gonna put this on after this because I'm just gonna go have a social distance drink and I want to be comfortable. Come on guys, this is perfect. And if you want to tie-dye stuff, these are like the perfect, they're really inexpensive and they're just good, like they're just perfect material. Like they're not too thick and overpriced and out of control. They're kind of like Champion, if you're familiar with the way they feel. And I love the size. Medium was definitely the way to go for me. Okay, and then I got the same mix and match oversized joggers, but also in gray. So, yeah, size medium, they're in gray, they're perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. The last ones I had were great, but they're also like stained and they're just ready to go. So happy to replace them with these ones from Boohoo. I think I'll definitely be getting my casual joggers from Boohoo now on, as long as they actually get to me when I have them. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're not confused, but this is a new day, and I told you before my shipments are coming all at random times, so I just wanted to put this video in one and just update it as they came in. So another order came in, and this one is from Czar Brand. They sent me 4 pieces, and I'm obsessed. Czar Brand is local out of Philadelphia, and they're kind of more, they have drops. So some of the stuff might not be available currently on the website. You might have to DM or email or whatever, but stay tuned on their channels because they release stuff a few times a year, I believe. So just be aware of that. This first piece, I'm obsessed. It is a bag, and it is a small shoulder bag. So these straps are so trendy right now. There's a few brands doing them, and I absolutely love it. It's just a different take on a shoulder bag. And I love their logo, and I love the name of their brand, Czar. It starts with a C, but you just don't pronounce it. And it's just such a cool, different, original bag. I will definitely be wearing it. I can't wait, and let me see. The quality of the actual bag itself is really nice and roomy. It's perfect for a cell phone and a few other things when you go out, like your wallet. And this one I believe is limited edition, but if you really love it, again, send them a DM. They might have more or they might drop more soon, so Czar Brand. The next piece is another bag from Czar, and it is so these are technically waist bags or fanny packs, and you can wear them around your waist. See, it says Czar in the front there. I love their logo. But I typically wear them as a shoulder bag, so I'll either wear it this way or I'll wrap it around here and I'll loosen this up a little bit and I'll wear it on my back like this. They're perfect for concerts and, you know, pretty much just taking any kind of day trips, like if you go to a theme park, stuff like that. And just kind of all the time. I mean, they're really cool, they're sporty. If you're a vlogger, you can put your camera equipment in these and carry them around your chest all day so that you can always whip your camera out whenever you need to. I love that. And there's a lot of pockets on this one in particular. And I love the coloring. Like I'm a big neutrals girl, and tan and black, it's my favorite, and I love a logo that's colored and bright. So this is a perfect bag for me. I'll definitely be wearing this. You'll be seeing it on my Instagram. The next thing they gave me was a long sleeve t-shirt, and it has the Zara logo on the front, crisscrossed like that. And then the back has a crest and it says, "Build Your Empire," which is completely my vibe. I love that. And this is a gray tone with white lettering, and I am obsessed. And I got it in a bigger size. I believe I got this in like a men's medium or men's large. So I always say size up. Like if you think you got it big enough, probably size up again. I don't know, unless it's supposed to be fitted. These kind of things, I always size up. I just feel like you can't get them big enough. They're awesome. And even if it was too big, you could wear it as a dress. I think this will be perfect with leggings or denim, like tucked in, with denim shorts tucked in with a really cute pair of sneakers and like a big jacket, or, you know, it's just really cute with regular leggings and like a really cool sneaker. Or even if you wore this with like a bike short and then a cool snake boot would be really awesome. So yeah, a good staple, and having these from a good brand is always clutch. The final piece they sent me is my favorite piece from them by far. I'm in love. I really am. I'm sorry. It is just a regular old gray hoodie, but the logo on the front, come on. That's dope. Like I said before, I love a neutral. I love like cool everyday pieces that have one thing on it that just stands out, and this is exactly that. I love the way this logo is. It's different, it makes people stare. People, every time I've only worn this once because I just got this in, obviously, but every time I wear anything with a cool logo, people will stop and like try to read it as opposed to just, you know, not paying attention. So they're definitely eye-catching, and I love this hoodie. I think it's the perfect size. I also think this is a men's medium. And I'll definitely be wearing this all the time, and I can't wait. This is a great find. Hey guys, I'm back. It's the next day, and I just got an order from Verge Girl. Okay, I've never ordered from Verge Girl before, and I'm really excited to show you what I got. I only got 3 pieces because they're kind of pricey, and the first one is this. I have a try-on right here. I kept it on because I filmed the try-on part before I filmed this part, and this material is amazing. I don't know how to describe it to you. It's like really, really soft. It feels amazing. It's stretchy. The arms are long enough. The actual bottom is long enough. It has a scalloped edge. This is everything I ever wanted in a tie-dye small dress that's casual but can also be dressed up. I would wear this with tan tight booties to go out and like a leather jacket. Or I could also wear it with like a denim jacket and sneakers. I could wear it with Doc Martens. It is perfect, and it's neutral toned. I really could not be happier with this. I mean, even as a top, this would be cute. Huge fan. This was the first piece that I ordered, and that's what made me add more to my order. And then I was like, let me just try out a few other things and see what the quality is like on Verge Girl. And I have to say, overall, I am so happy with it. The second piece I got is this little stretchy skirt with a front slit on the right. So it's got 2 darts in the front and then a split right. So it's very flattering. And I've been seeing this shape everywhere, and I really wanted to get something, but I've been hesitant because to me it really matters for skirts what the material is, because I kind of have a bigger butt and sometimes it just is too short once it's on, and then it's like I wasted money, I can't return it. So this actually is amazing. This material, again, I'm obsessed. This is a size 8, so I got everything in I think it's Australian, and the Australian size 8, and everything fits me perfect. So just FYI, my measurements are 34, 25, 37, I believe, if you need a reference. And this says it's 100% polyester. I don't know, guys. I never felt polyester like this before. Amazing quality, and it looks see-through here, but as you can tell, I don't know if you can see that, but as you can tell in the video that I'll put right here, it's not see-through once it's on, and if you just wear underwear that matches your skin tone, you should be fine. I cannot wait to dress this up and down. You can wear this with a big sweater and Doc Martens, or you can wear it with, you know, your strappy heels and a bodysuit. I actually love it with the next piece. Didn't intend to make an outfit out of it, but you know, after I tried them on together, I was like, I would definitely wear this. This might be one of my favorite things I've purchased in the last like month. I've been looking for a shirt like this. I tag shirts like this all the time on Pinterest, so I'm really excited to finally find one that's amazing quality. It's heavy, you guys. I don't know what material this is. This is also 100% polyester, and I don't really get it because it's like satin. I don't know, it's an incredible feeling material. It's made so well. I'm telling you, it's heavy. The thing I like about it is, and I didn't realize this till after I took it off, you can adjust the straps completely if you untie this part right here in the center, and you can make these longer. So I made them a little longer, and you can bunch this up a little bit more, and then the back is the same. You can bunch it up, or you can stretch it out. I love the color. It goes with everything. This would be really cute with denim in the summer, denim jeans and boots, or, you know, strappy heels, and that skirt with this. Oh my God, how cute. Like vacation in Mexico. I'm telling you. Also a size 8. Like I said, this is also a size 8 too. So that is everything for this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I love everything I got. So yeah, this was super fun for me. If you like videos like this, let me know. Please like this button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.